Hello and welcome to the Itil version 3 Foundation Exam Video Mentor. My name is Jill Knapp and I'll be your instructor or mentor for this product. So this is the face that'll go with the voice that you'll be hearing for the rest of this DVD. By way of quick introduction, I've been a hands-on IT tech since the early 90s, working as a desk side support technician and a server admin and then a WAN administrator. I landed my first management position back in 1996, and since then I've sought ways to improve the effectiveness of my teams and the services that we delivered to the business. Now, during that time, I was using my own homegrown version of IT service management until I discovered the IT Infrastructure Library in 2002. After earning several certifications, I became the Itil subject matter expert for the national IT organization where I was working. Eventually, I took a position as a senior consultant and lead trainer for Europe's leading IT service management training and consultancy firm, where I had the honor of co-teaching the world's first accredited Itil version 3 foundation class with an exam in June of 2007. Today, I own my own boutique IT service management training and consulting firm based in Wilmington, Delaware, called Knapp IT. And you can find us on the web at www.knapp-it.com. And when I'm not on the road training and preaching and teaching Itil for my clients, I'm writing white papers and articles and giving presentations on implementing IT service management best practices and service desk optimizations. This video mentor set is aimed at students who've already taken an Itil version 3 foundation class and need some additional preparation for the exam, or for students who've chosen the self-study route and who've spent at least 20 hours studying the 5 Itil version 3 publications. This video is not intended to take the place of an accredited training course or the prerequisite self-study time. We will not be covering all of the Itil basics in this video, but instead we'll be reinforcing the topics specified in the latest version of the foundation exam syllabus as released by APMG. The objective of this course is to explain and reinforce all of the concepts included on this new version of the Itil version 3 foundation syllabus, and to give you tips and tricks to help you pass the exam. Though you've already received training through some other avenue, it often helps having things explained in a slightly different manner so it sticks a little bit better. Let's take a quick tour of your materials. You've obviously already found the DVD, and you've probably noticed a list of the chapters and lessons laid out for you. After this little introduction that you're watching now, we'll start off with a chapter called Laying the Itil Groundwork, which reinforces some key IT service management terms and concepts. Next, you'll see 5 more chapters, which are chapters 2 through 6, with each one representing one of the 5 Itil books, or we can say one of the 5 phases of the service life cycle. These books are presented in life cycle order here. As you know, each life cycle phase contains vocabulary words, concepts, processes, activities, roles, and sometimes even functions. We've included all of those under their respective books. For example, if you need to brush up on service level management, you'll know to look in the service design chapter. I've recorded these chapters so they can either be watched in order or so you can skip directly to a specific section. Regardless of what order you choose, it's important to watch the presentation while also following along in the printed book. Neither the DVD nor the book alone will give you enough information, so please be sure to use these materials as they are intended to make sure that you get the complete picture. At the end of each chapter on the DVD, I've provided some sample questions relating to that chapter. You can either answer those sample questions while watching the DVD, or if you'd like to take some more time, you can pause the DVD and answer them at your own pace just in the book. You'll find an answer key at the end of each chapter, which gives an explanation as to why a certain answer is correct and why the other choices are incorrect. You can find an additional 40 sample questions by going to my website, which again is www.knapp-it.com. In closing, I'd like to thank you very much for purchasing this Foundation Video Mentor, and I wish you the very best of luck in taking your exam. I hope you find this set helpful because I really had a wonderful time making it. And I hope you'll stay in touch. Feel free to sign up for my newsletter at our website. With that said, let's get started.